man drops off Murphy at the young entrepreneur's estate and returns to his humble abode.
Hey, can I speak to Murphy, please? Yeah, Murphy, how's it going? Yeah, I want to sell all the stock in RGR Roads while we have our profit now, just in case that Magnum phone comes up with something. Yeah, you look like a jackass just like that, dude. Alright, see you later.
Hi. You may recognize us from the big budget Hollywood movie, Smokers Cough. Although we become big Hollywood stars, it doesn't stop us from explaining economic concepts to those less fortunate than us. And keeping up on our reading. Now I'm going to have to turn over the mic to my man Sly.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you what concepts we're using in our movie. So you just pick up and trust the economics book. For your $3.95, you can get them free by taking what you do in economics class. See, the most important concept in our movie is scarcity. If you read the definition, which is conveniently put on page 2 in your book, scarcity is a condition that results from the imbalance between relatively unlimited wants and the relatively limited resources available to satisfy those wants. For example, we don't want to smoke cigarettes, at least those of us who smoke it. That's an unlimited want for us. Well, our population does do it. And because of the evil plan by Dr. Kron to sabotage the crops, our unlimited wants cannot be met by the needs because not only are they unlimited, but they're also scarcer than before. Also, the movie incorporates supply and demand, which is another facet of scarcity. Supply is defined as the different quantities of a resource, good or service that will be offered for sale at various possible prices during a specific time period. Demand is defined as the different quantities of a resource, good or service that will be purchased at various possible prices during a specific time period. The supply of the cigarettes has gone down considerably due to exercise people playing while the crops are full. And because the supply is down so far, the demand may be the same, but it's not going to be met by the supply. So therefore, the scarcity is up, the demand goes up, so does the price. So I bought a pack of cigarettes yesterday for $2.50, and at least in the movie, it's $50 worth. So that basically explains all the different concepts that are used in the movie. Now I'm going to return back to your action.
Meanwhile, at Dr. Kron's evil laboratory.
Dr. Kron? Dear Magnum, this is what you've been looking for. The antidote.
Was eventually discovered by NYPD. But Magnum spent the remainder of his life in a hypnotic trance at Jones Hill. In conclusion, Sly Jeremy Callahan spent the remainder of his life smoking, skipping school, and getting jumped. But retired at age 25, moved to Hawaii, jumped in the jacuzzi, and slapped on the motion lotion.
and was like, "Ah."
What do you do about this? I mean, what do you have to apprehend the villain?
Well, first of all, I have my keen abilities, but just in case I got my piece, you know what I'm talking about? When I get my piece out.
Tobacco, what are you going to use to apprehend the villain?
Well, to begin with, I'll use my keen sense of ability, crime-fighting skill.
Guys, it's 4:20, I gotta go.
Have fun.
Man, all this tobacco, all this money, what are you going to do to apprehend the villain?
Well, I'll use my keen crime-fighting skills.
Oh, guys, it's 4:20, I gotta go.
Have fun.
So with all this, like, tobacco products and all this stuff, what are you going to do to apprehend the villain? Hey guys, this is 4:20, I gotta go.
Have fun.
I know, I read in the book that you were some crime-fighting genius. What are you going to do to apprehend the villain?
Don't do it. You can't do that.
In 5.